expectation is to look younger and younger always,
Correct.
every age of life.
Right. So we have a 49-year young patient of mine. He did his surgery in 2021.
Correct.
And how has been the change?
It was really fantastic, Anand. I am very thankful to you. The way you did the hair surgery and type things, my look is changed. I am very much feeling good. I am confident. My many relatives and friends are also surprised to see me. The way the hair growth is.
Yeah, because in your case, you was at a very advanced stage of genetic hair loss.
Yeah.
And if you see the before pictures, you see that how the facial frame has been disturbed, how the imbalance was created.
Correct.
And with the hairline and the frontal tuft and the mid scalp coming in like that,
Yes.
it's looking fantastic. I think we went from nothing to almost a head full of hair.
Yes. Almost nothing, because 3 years before you just showed me those photos, it was completely bald.
Right. So how has it changed your daily life? In the last 3 years after your hair has come back, do you feel, does it also impact you psychologically?
Yeah, psychological, it impacts a lot because I am feeling more confident.
Yeah.
I am feeling little bit more younger.
Right.
So yes, it gives us more confidence. So
And one of the things I always want to ask my patients is, how much was the pain? How much was the discomfort? Did you have any side effects?
Nothing.
Because that is one wrong misconception which people have, that there's a lot of side effects, there's a lot of pain involved in this procedure, or your face gets swollen up. Did you have any of that?
No. During surgery also there was no pain. It was fantastic. And after surgery also nothing, no pain, no swelling, nothing. Only just to spray the hair and to take the medications.
Right.
That's it.
And it's just not him, 3 of his friends who have undergone the procedure out here would agree to the same, that there is no pain, no discomfort, and it works. Am I correct?
Perfect.
Yes.
Correct.
And
Thank you
hope
very
you
much.
continue having a head full of hair.
Sure.
Or you already have a head full of hair now.
Thank you.
All right.